Pull myself together.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's the layers. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beer later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little.
I wake up every day as flesh and bones, humbled alone, weak on my own. Lord, you love me bare and natural. You meet me where I am, still high on your throne. I look up to
Welcome to the Wellness Diaries. And I really wanted to create this diary for people like me. So I wanted to focus on being spiritually grounded, getting close to God, like being more consistent with reading His Word, as well as being consistent in trying to meet my physical goals too. So a lot of times I find myself compromising, being so locked in with trying to meet my physical goal where I slack off on my spiritual goal. So I'm trying to create a routine where there's balance, because we can work on our physical outward bodies, but at the end of the day, it's just dust. We have a spiritual being inside of us that will live on forever. So there should be more time spent building the spiritual man. I try to pull myself together if I'm getting out the house. If I want to look like something, it's just I'm on a journey of trying to improve. I'm trying to get better, but being better for myself. And also I have a mentality of being better than I used to be. It's like a me versus me mentality. I'm not trying to compare myself against other people. I'm trying to compare myself against myself. And I think that switching mindset is really powerful, because you're not looking outward, you're looking inward, and you're taking an assessment of what you can do better. What can you do better? Of course, with the help of God and His guidance and Holy Spirit and everything, but what can you do better? If you stay stagnant, you attract those things that are harmful, things that will suck your energy away, things that will not be beneficial to you, So I try my best. If you're stagnant, I feel like there's some sort of weight that you're carrying, you know? You gotta let go of the weight. Let go of everything that is not beneficial to you or your journey. Let go of the weight. You know, it reminds me of when Paul said, let go of the weight so you can run the race. Let go of the weight. It could be procrastination. It could be, you know, self-doubt. It could be not enough faith, you know, in God. So let go of the weight. Okay, guys, so this is the fit. Some leggings, a TikTok shop shirt with my oversized jacket. I have my watch, my hoops, my glasses. Yeah, I think it's cute. So I just want to pop in and close this wellness diaries out here, and I hope that it's given you some inspiration, some hope, some inspiration to maybe, you know, spend some time with your family, maybe read the word, maybe just do something different, create a new routine. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.